Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's preheat our oven to 220 degrees C for 128 degrees F and get a baking sheet in there. This preheating step is crucial because we want that initial blast of heat to help our soufflé rise beautifully. You'll know the oven is properly preheated when you can feel the heat radiating strongly when you open the door. Now let's prepare our 4 ramekins. This is where the magic happens. Take a bit of soft butter and coat the inside of each ramekin thoroughly. Then dust them with breadcrumbs. The breadcrumbs give our soufflé something to climb on as it rises. So make sure to get an even coating all around. Time to melt our 30 g of butter. Place it in a saucepan over low heat. We don't want it to brown, just melt gently. You'll know it's ready when it's completely liquid and has a beautiful golden color, but hasn't started to bubble. Let's create our base mixture. Combine your 300 grams of cooked mashed potato with the melted butter, 90 milliliters of milk, 85 grams of grated cheddar, 30 grams of Parmesan, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives, and black pepper. Mix until everything is well combined and you have a smooth, creamy consistency. Here comes a crucial step, whisking our egg whites. In a clean bowl, whisk the whites from our 2 eggs until they form stiff peaks. You'll know they're ready when you can turn the bowl upside down and the whites don't fall out. That's the perfect consistency we're looking for. Now for the gentle part, folding in those beautiful egg whites. Add them to our potato mixture in 3 portions, using a figure-8 motion with your spatula. We want to keep as much air in the mixture as possible, so fold gently until just combined. The mixture should look light and airy. Time to fill our prepared ramekins. Spoon the mixture in carefully, filling each one about 3/4 full. Don't tap or shake the ramekins. We want to preserve all those tiny air bubbles that will help our soufflé rise. A final touch of color. Sprinkle a light dusting of paprika on top of each ramekin. This will give our soufflés a beautiful color as they bake and add a subtle warmth to the flavor. Place your ramekins on the preheated baking sheet, and into the oven they go for 15 to 17 minutes. You'll know they're done when they've risen beautifully and turned a gorgeous golden brown on top. The center should be slightly wobbly when you gently shake the ramekin. The final moment of truth, serving. These beauties need to be served immediately while they're at their peak height. They'll naturally start to deflate after a few minutes, so gather everyone around the table before you take them out of the oven. The perfect soufflé should be light and airy on top, with a creamy, cheesy center. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.
Bye.